Yes, hello everyone. I am Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand Philippines. Oh, iba.
Ang ibang atake, marami na kami ng intro mo during the coronation.
Yes. So, siguro isa yun sa aabangan sa Miss Grand International and we're doing a different one naman ngayon. So, tinitimpla pa natin yan kung ano yan. Alam mo, natutuwa ako kasi last night, when I was in Tubod, Iligan City, nag-i-intro ako, tas sumusunod na yung audience. Kaya, thank you so much. Kasi doon pa lang alam mong nagsusupport sila sa Miss Grand.
Kumbaga sa kanta ng LSS sila sa
Oo.
introduction mo.
Kayo ba na LSS?
Of course!
Only grand.
Oo nga, iba na siya.
Hindi
Oo
nga dapat
nga.
nilalabas yun, di ba?
Philippines, oo.
Kasi pasabog niya.
Pasabog.
Correct.
Mhm.
Okay, so, ayun lang. What excites you about this partnership between Miss, or you, Queen Emma Tiglao, Miss Grand Philippines 2025, and Marinova?
I am excited to share to you all the products and what I've heard. Maybe in a few months after this, they will release new product, additional product for Marinova. That's why I'm really excited. You know what? Who asked a while ago kung kanino ko, kung magdadala ako sa Miss Grand? Yeah, I will bring this Marinova. Ang gandang idea nun. Thank you so much for that wonderful idea. So I will bring this to Thailand to share it with my grand sisters.
Yes, that will serve as a result na yung Marinova is okay na product because ito yung
Yes.
mag-share sa kanila. Alright, so Emma, let's talk about your MGIPH journey. So, kumusta naman?
Really amazing because it was a grand comeback for me after 6 years not doing pageantry and focusing on TV hosting. That's why sobrang happy. I was so happy and so grateful. I was able to show you another version of Emma in this Miss Grand Philippines stage and another version of Emma in the coming Miss Grand International stage.
Talking about social media, so did you really had a time during your NGIPH journey to focus
To focus on my
social
social.
media?
I really do because you know what, we need that. We need that to communicate with other fans, especially the international fans. So I'm putting time to answer some comments or messages in my social media. We need that actually. It's a way of communication.
So how do you handle criticisms in social
I
media?
don't handle them.
Dead ma.
Which is true. I've said it on my Net 25's interview. I don't handle them. I listen to the people that I trust and I believe. And as long as you know yourself, you know what you're doing, you know your story, then you have this strong core. I am fighting not just for myself, but for all of you. So I hope that we need to be careful with the words that we're throwing out there. And I hope that it can inspire instead of it will hurt other people. After all, we're all Filipinos and we're carrying the Philippine flag.
So in every competition like beauty pageants, so there is a mantra that manifests. So may we know what was your mantra during your NGIPH journey?
Actually, I was bringing the mantra even last Binibini, last pageant that I joined. It's choose people who choose you. Because in that mantra, 'di ba, you know kung kanino ka makikinig. So I hope that you will also do that. Choose people who choose you.
Ma'am, question po. Si Miss Grand International, reigning Miss Grand International CGO Piazza, and another international beauty queen, Filipino beauty queen, have given dried mangoes as gifts at nanalo sila. So bukod sa Marinova, dried mango oliva for Miss Grand International.
Wow, I'm thinking of another gift aside from food from the Philippines. Siguro I'll bring some of the food from the Philippines like pastries. Of course, there a lot of pastries in Pampanga, but I cannot bring cheese bread naman, which is kilala sa Pampanga, di ba? So I'm thinking about something personalized together with my mom. So that's what I'm thinking about. Yeah, it's homemade and my mom's made by my mom's hand. Sorry.
Emma, what changed after the coronation?
What changed? Schedule. Scheduling. So a lot of schedules right now. I think it's just the same. Actually, naisip ko nga the other day, nag-sink in na ba sa akin that I won Miss Grand Philippines because it feels like I'm still preparing, training. So parang same lang lahat. But this one, the difference is grander stage na.
Yeah.
So, ganun ko siya tinitignan. So, yun lang
What was
yung
the
pagbabago.
the most positive comments that you got after winning the pageant?
It was really a grand comeback and natuwa sila na nakita nila yung another Emma because I think the last Emma that they saw is the demure one na hindi masyadong nagpapasabog but this one is complete na. I don't know, maybe because of my experience also, that's why eto na siya, the evolved version of Emma.
How does it feel na ikaw lang ang National Beauty Queen na may dalawang corona? Nasuot mo na ba yung pangalawa? Sa shoot pa lang.
Saan po ito? Yung eto?
MG, dalawa. Meron ka pang bagong isusuot.
Hindi ko pa nasuot.
May
Pero I
dalawang
think
corona.
Pero I think this one, kay CJ talaga siya. Kaya ako napansin nyo, bago niya ipasa sa akin, kinis muna niya yung crown kasi matagal na nasa kanya yung crown na to. Mhm. I'm excited to see the new crown and medyo may pakapyaw na nakita ko na siya. Ang ganda rin. Paganda ng paganda. Like the production. Bumawi.
Oh, di ba? Umawi.
Bumawi.
Another B!
Another
Bawi!